Your case is coming up for trial, and now jury selection has finished, your case is starting. You're sitting in the back of the courtroom watching, and you decide you want to videotape everything. You want to record it for posterity. So what do? You take out your iPhone, and now you start recording. Guess what? A moment later, the court officer sees you, comes over, and says, "Hey, what are you doing?" You want to know what happens next? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. I understand that you want to videotape either all or part of your trial. It's interesting, it's fascinating to you. You want to record everything. You want to record the judge's instructions. You want to record your attorney's opening argument. You want to videotape for posterity the defense attorney's arguments to the jury. And importantly, you want to get different witnesses on video so you can now post it onto social media and show what a liar certain people are. That's your goal. That's what you really want to do. Well, guess what? The moment you take out your iPhone, the moment you take out a camera, the moment you do something to start recording the proceedings, somebody in the courtroom is going to see what you're doing. And now, if it's a court officer, he's going to come over and start talking to you. If it's the judge, he's going to tell the court officer to come over and start talking to you. Why is he doing that? It's because there are no cameras permitted in the courtroom. That applies to every state court in New York. That's the rule. No cameras permitted in the courtroom. So if someone takes out their iPhone and starts trying to record it, the judge is going to stop that from happening. The court officer is going to stop that from happening. He's going to say, "Listen, I'm sorry, you're not allowed to record anything that goes on in the courtroom." Now, that might not be fair. You probably have a valid reason for wanting to record some or all of the parts of the trial. That's understandable. But the fact is, the policy in the courthouse, in the state systems, no matter whether it's in Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Nassau, Suffolk counties, any of the counties here in New York, you are not permitted to videotape or use cameras in the courtroom. So, although you want to do it, it's not going to happen. And if you persist in doing it, well, the court officer is going to make sure that he's either going to take that phone away from you or he's going to escort you outside the courtroom and not allow you back in. That's ultimately what's going to happen. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on with these civil trials involving accident matters and wrongful death matters and medical malpractice matters here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.